Hey guys, what's going on? Back with another Panini Dunk. I'm gonna open some or one daily pack. It's not really daily. I keep saying that. It's actually within 4 hours, I think, but I don't know why. I keep forgetting to check back and open them. These packs are actually really good. Sorry, that's really loud. So an X Factor, Enes Kanter for the Knicks, 18-19. A Kyrie Shoot to Thrill. A Ray Allen autograph, that's pretty cool when he's on the Heat. Goran Dragic, another Heat player, Energizers insert from 18-19 certified. And a Duke guy, Grayson Allen, rookie threads from Absolute. And I'll clear my coins. And I did this on another one, so I don't know if I'll put these two videos together or do it separate. I've been doing mystery boxes. You also get a free try at mystery box every day. And just in case you haven't done it, it's just you have 4 chances to pick up one of these boxes, I guess, or containers. They either have sleeves, coins, packs, and an X, and VIP access. 4 hours would have been really nice. And then you get one free try if you fail. Coins and packs are probably the best thing you can try for. So that is an immaculate. That should be pretty good. I think you get like a hit in there. Another certified. Another pack which is certified. And you get a free try. 1,000, that's really good. With no strikes. So that basically means I'll get a free try if I want to keep going. So that's the first X. And you pretty much, I usually try and follow the X because for me, like, you get a free try to do over. You really don't see the X twice in a row in the same spot, so that's pretty cool. Another pack certified. So I just try and, almost follow it or shadow it, as they call, or as people say. Another pack, cool hoops. 600 coins. Sometimes you can see patterns, but sometimes it's just luck. I think this will be my last go at it. 375 is not too bad. And I got another pack. Is this the free one? All right, so I get a free one, and I'm probably gonna end it after this try. 10 sleeves. So I'll end it here just to give you an idea. Sometimes I guess that I usually follow it around, follow behind the X. Now we could open the packs. The beginning rounds give you packs, but they're not like guaranteed hits in there. It's just base and inserts. So I get 6 packs. Probably should have kept going, but I chose not to. Alright, so The first pack looks like it was contenders. I did get an autograph. I don't even know how to say that. Rookie autograph for the Lakers. And Troy Brown Jr., Rookie of the Year. Another autograph from contenders. Vincent Edwards for the Rockets. Marc Gasol, Batum. Oh, this is pretty awesome. This is probably one of my favorite cards I've gotten recently. A Tony Parker autograph. But this is Hornets, even though he has the jerseys on, the Hornets jersey on. I mean, even though he has a Spurs jersey, it's a Hornets hit technically. Michael Porter Jr., Faces of the Future, Nuggets. Musa for the Nets. Etwan Moore base. Lonnie Walker base rookie card. Ooh, and a Kevin Durant jersey. That's pretty awesome. You don't get that every day. So this was definitely a good day for Mystery Box. And a Bruce Brown Jr. rookie roll call autograph, 1819 certified. Freshman Fabrics, Mikal Bridges. Fabrics of the Game. Fabrics of the Game is Josh Okogie. Pretty awesome. So definitely a lot of autographs and jerseys in here. Javon Carter. Autograph, rookie roll call. Kevin Love, another Fabrics of the Game. Who was this? Aaron Holiday. Trae Young. Certified Future. Frank Ntilikina. Relic. Ooh, Steve Francis. Is that Steve Francis? Steve Francis, Immaculate. That's pretty awesome. If you're ever looking to resell these, the higher end brand or packs go for a lot more. Dennis Smith. Embiid. And look, it's going to be another Marc Gasol. Joel Embiid and a Marc Gasol. And then to round it off, I ended up getting 20 sleeves. And 11 hardcovers. I think that's pretty much it. You could play again for $7.50. I do need to open some free ones also. So let me see the free the rewards. How often? See, 4 hours. So I was right. I just always forget to come back. Flawless first off the line. How much is that? $30, 1819 from last year. Bronze diamond exclusive per pack, $30. How many cards? Oh, 9 cards. I need to do this one of these days. I wish they still did boxes. They really don't do boxes anymore. Let me go back to the store. $15 packs per box. $50, 1819. Impeccable, $50 for 3 packs. And then back to this. Oh, Chronicle Titanium pack. I might actually do that, to be honest. Chronicles first off the line. And then you get like 3 days of VIP. I'll have to look who the rookies were in 2017 to see if it's worth buying it. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.